Hello again, family. It is no secret that my Achilles heel is eyeshadow application. My eyelids are the bane of my existence. I feel like the more that I say that, the more trouble I have applying my eyeshadow. But I am committed in the year 2018 to be able to assemble, curate, and execute some flawless eyeshadow looks. No matter how wrinkly my eyelids are, no matter how temperamental, I'm going to make that shit happen. And I can't just keep watching you all with your flawless tutorials, okay? I just need to go in and do it. So, all chit chat aside, I am going to go in with this Wet n Wild palette that I picked up for $4.99 at Five and Below. It's the Rose in the Air. Nothing new. More fall tone colors, I would say, but I'm really interested in learning how to blend out darker matte colors, which we all know, or most of us know, are the most difficult to blend out. I've already primed my eyes. I put on some age rewind concealer. I dusted a layer of the KKW, the banana, I think it's number 3, the setting powder. I have taped, so fucking uncomfortable, I have taped my eyes so that I can sort of have, like, you know, a line of demarcation, and we're just gonna go in. Okay, so the first thing they say is to find a transition shade, you know, a shade darker than your natural crease line. I'm going to go in with this color right here. All right, actually, hold on. What the hell is Wet n Wild saying? All right, Wet n Wild is saying 1 and 10. Okay, so let's go in with, okay, I'm going to go in with this cool tone right here. All right. Super powdery. We're going to see how this works. Okay, I know that this is my crease. I know that hooded eyes, you should sort of create a crease over your natural crease. So I'm just gonna go in right here. See, here's my thing. When I look at an eyeshadow palette, I get so mesmerized with all the shimmers, all the colors, but I'm not one of those people who can, like, look at a palette and be like, oh yeah, this color and this color and this color, they would work so well together. Like, I've never been that kid. When I was 5, you know, I loved my 64 Crayola box, but I would go back to the same 3 freaking colors, you know? And the most artistic that I would get is outlining and filling in, you feel me? And I wish my eyelids had a paint by number. All right, Dina. So far, so good. I'm not taking it all the way up to my brow bone. Thankfully, my eyebrows are cooperating. Okay, so far this top transition shade is blending out flawlessly. You can see it's just there. All right, which then brings me to, now what? Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this transition shade here. This is a warmer brown. I'm gonna go in with the same crease brush, why not? All right, I'm gonna go slightly under, I think that's what they say. Like, where's Wayne Goss when I need him? Wayne, come over to Virginia and give your girl a fucking face-to-face tutorial. Dude, I have wine for days. I'll have my mom make her hummus. I'll keep the Sauvignon Blanc flowing. It's a party. Dude, if I could have all my favorite makeup artists and influencers together, and I want you all to comment down below, who would you have at your house? All right, top 5. My top 5 would be Raw Beauty Christie. Who else? Who else? Allie Glines, Manny MUA, Wayne Goss, Jaclyn Hill, and who is my girl from Australia that I'm obsessed with and I can't remember her damn name? Oh, this is bad. Who's my girl from Australia who does the banging ass eyeshadow looks? Okay, and then naturally Jaclyn Hill, because she's a riot. She takes, like, no filter to the next level. I also think Desi is really, really sweet. Who's her best friend? Why can't I remember anybody's name? Holy fucking crap. Desi and... Oh my god. Shame on me. You guys, what's that cute girl's name? She's somewhere in like Brazil right now or Mexico. Okay, so I've applied that warmer toned. Okay, so far so good, you guys. I think you guys are bringing me good luck. Okay, I think at this point, I need to switch brushes maybe. I don't know. I've got a whole bunch of brushes and quite frankly, I really don't know what does what. All right, I'm gonna go in with this one. It looks good enough. I am going to go in, this one's speaking to me. I'm gonna dip into there. Who doesn't love a little fuchsia? All right, I'm gonna try to apply that in my actual crease. Actually, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. Nikia Joy. That's who I'm talking about. All right, I was not gonna forget myself. If you're not following her channel, please do. She is a riot. She keeps it 100. And to all my smaller YouTubers reaching out, introducing yourselves, I think it's so important that we continue to do that, you know? We may not have, you know, the following now. We may be, you know, super new at this and finding our feet, but eventually we'll get there. We'll get there with practice. And one day we'll be at some NYX award shows. Speaking of NYX award shows, who's the other girl that I really, really like? She's from the UK. I'm obsessed with her. Sam? God damn it. What's wrong with me? I'm telling you. Alright, so what's going on here? I don't really know. Alright, I feel like I need to bring that up just a little bit. I feel like it's kind of like cutting my eye. Alright, I'm still working on that magenta shade. I have a feeling that I'm not using the right brush. So let me go in with a flatter brush. Go back into that fuchsia and see if I can't pack. Comment down below who some of your favorite YouTubers are. And if you have your own channel, let me know so I can come and subscribe to it. And if you feel like being chatty, what are... Okay, at this point, what am I... Okay, do you see how it's like this? Like, what's that? Like, what am I supposed to do with that? I'm so fucking kidding. Okay, this is where I start to shut down because I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do with that. Okay, now if this were my sister, she'd have been done like 10 fucking minutes ago. Oh shit. Okay, things are going very badly. Okay, I'm gonna... Well, let's see. Focus, Dina. Focus. It's just eyeshadow. Pretend it's a coloring book. What the hell is the Wet n Wild? Hold on. What is... Crease 6. Oh, there's a daytime and a nighttime look. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I think I'm fucking everything up. Alright. Alright, I don't know if I can save this eye. Okay, I'm so confused right now. There's like this one wrinkly fucking area right there. All right, I'm gonna go back in with that warm transition shade and see if I can't. See, now it just looks like the eyeshadow took a shit on the purple. Holy mother. You guys, I need help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. like Manny MUA would have done this in under 3 minutes. You feel me? Okay, I'm still packing on that magenta fuchsia. I should probably be using a synthetic flat brush to pack on the color, but this is what I was able to find. Okay, right now it looks like a unicorn stomped me in my fucking face. Like, I cannot right now. Okay, so far I have a cool tone brown in my... Okay, wait. Okay. Now, this is this part here. Like, if this could just be like this, then... Or like that. Wayne Goss. Am I supposed to lift up here? What would Wayne Goss say? Like, it's like the shadow just fucking disappears. Where does it go? This is not gonna win me any fucking NYX awards, but we're just gonna keep on going. Alright, so there is a lilac-y color. Let's see if we can't pack some of that on there too. Add some more dimension. I'm gonna put that on the innards. Okay. Alright. Alright, what do we think? We're still a little concerned about this area here. Let's see if I can find a fluffy crease. Where the fuck are all my brushes? Oh god. Oh god. Alright, let's try this. You know, at this point, it's like all the shadows are just blending together. But the good news is that the tape hasn't moved. Alright, so. What the hell? Oh god. Okay. Alright, so we have the cool tone here. We've got the warm tone brown here. We have that fuchsia kind of dusted all over the lid. Then that lilac in the inner corner. Dude, I need a brush intervention. Stat. What do you think? What the fuck? What the actual fuck is... Jesus Christ, I've got more eyeshadow on my forehead than I do on my eyelid. Okay, so now I am going to go into one of these fun shimmery shades. I'm thinking that one. I'm going to go in with my finger, because that's how they all do it, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and press that all on the lid. Alright, for some reason it's gathering in the inner corner, looking super crumbly. I think that this would execute better on a brush. That's wet, probably, but I don't know where my setting spray is. Okay, so now effectively what I'm... Like, what is that? Okay, guys, this has gone terribly, terribly wrong. I can't even... it just looks like someone took an actual shit on my eyelid. This is what happens every single time. Holy crap. Alright, let me go into that bone color. You know, you can't screw this part up, can you? Or can you? Alright, I am going to... Okay, I'm going to try one more thing. There's kind of like a deeper purpley shimmer. I'm going to see what happens if I try to pack that right here on top of that gold. Okay. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's just layer upon layer upon layer of just muddy turds. That's all this is. I can't right now. I mean, there's absolutely like nothing glistening going on. Alright, this is where we're at, guys. A monochromatic turd on my eyelid. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, attempt to do this eye, throw on some eyeliner, another coat of mascara, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Now I'm stress eating some fruit gushers that I think I've had in the bottom of my makeup bag for at least 2 months now. Well, this is the final look, my humans. I went in with some NYX Epic Ink Liner and Black Noir. Probably my favorite foolproof liquid liner. Topped it off with some Kiss Cosmetics waterproof mascara, the I Envy, my favorite. And legitimately, my eyes still look kind of scary. I'm thinking in the future, once I get this sort of color coding down, I will venture into the cut crease territory and maybe actually wet a brush. Actually, first I need to fucking learn which brush performs what function. Like in theory I know, but then when it comes down to actually, I mean, these are my brushes. I have brushes. I have plenty of brushes. I have Morphe brushes. I have Real Techniques. I have It Cosmetics. I have Crown. I have Morphe, Wet n Wild. I have brushes. Brushes are not the issue. I have shadow. I have several shadow palettes. It just so happens that I suck, but I am committed to getting better. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making fun of myself. I will see you very, very soon, family. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.